Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I will be creating a design that I saw on the internet. It's real cute and it's real simple. But when you say simple and you don't know how to do nail art, that's not really simple, right? So I'll try to do a step-by-step and hopefully you can recreate this design if that's what you're looking towards doing. With Valentine's Day coming up, a lot of people like to get their nails to match the season or the holiday. But red is the most popular Valentine's Day color, and a lot of people don't like red on their nails for whatever reason, because I love red on my nails. So I wanted to do a design without red, but still something with the Valentine theme. Let's get straight into the video. If you are curious on how I did this set, I'll have that video dropping soon. For the design, I will be using white and a rose gold glitter. And just in case you guys don't know, nail art is not one of my specialties. I struggle as well. For the pinky, I am going to go do a V cut in the rose gold glitter. You see that mistake I created? I'm going to take a clean brush with some acetone and just clean up the line. My brush slipped, but of course when you're dealing with glitter, glitter can be very stubborn. If that was regular polish, that would have came right off. When you're dealing with glitter, it's not always so simple. Now this will be a line down the middle. I just did that very lightly so I can follow this same pattern a little thicker. Now I want to go wider, so I'm going to just, instead of going right on top, I'm going to follow the same pattern on the side. Let's do the same look for the next one. So I did it very lightly. And I do that design, especially when they right on side each other, I like to make sure they look alike. So we're doing fine. For the next two, we're going to do just like we did for the pinky. Membership badges are now available for only $2.99 a month. As a member, you will qualify for a monthly drawing of some real cool prizes. Prizes will vary from month to month. So hit that join button and become a chief cuticle cutie. Do the same thing to this thumb. The next step for this look, I'm going to take and outline the V French with the white. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then click the bell and select all so you'll be notified each time I bring you a new video. Turn those post notifications on. Just like that. I am trying to adjust the room lighting because the sun is coming up as I record this video and it is playing with my lighting. And outline this French. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. And again, with the thumb. Now this is the most challenging part for me. It is hearts. So this is a way that I learned how to do a heart. If you know another way, an easier way for me to do a heart, please share. So I get my dotting tool. I dip it in the white. And I put 2 lines like that. I mean 2 dots like that. And then I make a V. Let's try that again. We have 2 dots. Put some more white on the dotting tool. And I make the V. See, I knew I wasn't going to be able to do it again. That's okay. I am going to remove this. And we're going to try this again. At first you don't succeed. Dust yourself off and try again. Let that acetone dry. Two dots. That was ugly too. That being said, we're going to squash the nail art and I'm going to show you the alternative plan. As you can see, nail art takes time and skills. And if you can accomplish this look, that is fine. They sell items for people like us that have a hard time creating freehand art. Until we learn how to draw on nails, they sell plenty stickers and nail art designs. So we are going to remove these so-called hearts and pull out the heart stickers. And this is the nail art stickers I was telling you about. I will be using these. And I'm going to go in and grab their small, medium, and large. This is a nice size nail. You know what? I'm going to do 2 different sizes. I'm going to grab the large for the bottom and a smaller one for the top. I apologize. I do not remember where I got these nail stickers from. I usually get stickers from Amazon or Etsy. So you may want to look both places, but several different places sell nail art stickers. I would advise you to invest in them, especially if you are not too good with freehand nail art. And boom. We are going to do the same to this one. And if you wanted to use smaller hearts, I would have definitely used smaller hearts if the nails were shorter. I suggest that when people are trying to get certain things, depending on the length of the nail, sometimes they take my advice and sometimes they don't. We all know that can alter the look as well. When you got the wrong size bling or sticker, it just don't look too cute. We could not draw the hearts, but we made it do what it do. Now I'm going to go in and put a top coat. Remember to seal in your edges and your free edge. When I use stickers, I like to put, after the first coat cure, I like to put a second layer of top coat on stickers. My personal preference. I'm going to go ahead and finish applying top coat to all the nails. And here is the finished look. You guys seen I was struggling with the freehand art trying to create the hearts with the gel polish, but I pulled out the stickers, and that's what they sell them for. If you have trouble like myself in creating pretty nail art with freehand, you can use different stickers, foils. They sell all of that. It takes a little investment, but hey, look at the look you can achieve. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys would rock these nails. Don't forget to like this video. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget, every Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have a premiere. This look is a cute Valentine look or everyday look. I want to thank you all for watching. That's all I have for you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.